In a world where innovation drives industries, efficiency is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Meet Embernet, the SaaS platform revolutionizing factory operations for Industry 4.0. Embernet collects real-time data from all your factory devices, seamlessly integrating information from PLCs, IoT sensors, and more into a secure, centralized cloud platform. Your data united. Transform raw data into actionable insights. With Embernet's interactive dashboards, gain an in-depth understanding of production metrics, machine performance, and operational trends, all in real time. Leveraging the power of AI, Embernet delivers predictive maintenance, identifies inefficiencies, and recommends process improvements, empowering you to prevent issues before they arise. Step into Industry 4.0 with digital twins. Embernet provides real-time connectivity between physical assets and their digital counterparts, ensuring operational transparency and control. Scale seamlessly across industries and factory sizes. Designed with you in mind, Embernet offers an intuitive interface, customizable dashboards, and real-time reporting tools, empowering you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Experience the future of factory efficiency, reduce downtime, optimize processes, and secure remote access for monitoring and maintenance. Embernet drives sustainability and innovation every step of the way. Embernet, ignite your factory efficiency. Step into the future of Industry 4.0 today. Schedule your demo or contact our team to learn more.